continuation to our surveillance checks which we had started last week. We have come once again to the Mapsa interstate passes, and we had a tip-off that some milk items were expected to come, and as you see today we have got some paneer which has come from a neighboring state, and this paneer is in large quantities, and it is not having any label declarations. Also there is some curd which has come which is having a pack date of 3rd. So we have taken custody of this stock, and now also samples are being drawn to send to the laboratory. Also there is apprehension that there might be some things that makes this paneer substandard, so we are trying to get it checked, especially for the addition of oil. So these reports are expected to come maybe in 2 or 3 days on priority. But nevertheless, since there are no label declarations, we have seized this items. The value is approximately, I think, a lakh of rupees, the paneer. So it's at least 1 lakh is the value of the paneer that is.
Quantity
The other
क्या
items are in lesser quantity.
quantity is 510.
5-10 kgs. So spoken to the FDA in Maharashtra, and we have requested them to visit the manufacturer to carry out an inspection of the dairy. So they have also started the work from their end, and they will also appraise on the hygiene conditions of the place from where the paneer has been made.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.